In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Calendar in Mozilla Thunderbird. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Thunderbird, what to click, and how to confirm the installation so your calendar tools are ready to use. First, open Mozilla Thunderbird on your computer. Make sure you're on the main window so you can see the standard toolbar and side panel. Giving Thunderbird a moment to fully load helps the next screens appear smoothly. Now, look to the top right corner of the Thunderbird window for the icon with three horizontal lines. This is the main menu, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click it to open a drop-down panel with all the key settings and tools you'll need for managing extensions. From that menu, choose Add-ons and Themes. This opens the Add-ons Manager in a new tab inside Thunderbird. Add-ons are little extensions that add features to Thunderbird, and themes change how Thunderbird looks. Today, we're focusing on the add-on that enables Google Calendar functionality. Inside the Add-ons Manager, select the Recommendations section. Recommendations highlights popular and compatible extensions, which makes it easier to find trustworthy options that work well with your version of Thunderbird. Use the search field and type Google Calendar. As you type, Thunderbird will surface matching results. Keep your eye out for the listing that matches what you need. The name should clearly reference Google Calendar integration, and you can glance at the description and compatibility details to confirm it aligns with your setup. When you found the correct Google Calendar listing, click Add to Thunderbird. A small permission prompt will appear. Review the information so you know what the add-on can access, then click Add to Confirm. This step completes the installation and makes the calendar features available inside Thunderbird. After the add-on is installed, look at the left side of Thunderbird. You'll see Google Calendar appear in the sidebar. Click on Google Calendar there to open it. This takes you into the calendar area where you can view and manage your schedules inside Thunderbird. If the panel looks new to you, take a second to hover over the interface so you can see where the main controls are located. That's it. If the add-on doesn't appear right away, return to Add-ons and Themes and verify it's enabled. Also, double-check spelling in the search field if you don't see it listed. With these steps, you've installed Google Calendar inside Mozilla Thunderbird and you're ready to manage your time without leaving your inbox.